Hi there, this is Shannon Krajewski, Professional Development Coordinator at Los Angeles Pierce College. This tutorial was created to help show you how to update your vaccination record in Cleared4, as is required for all LACCD employees. Specifically, it will show you how to upload your booster vaccination record, but the same basic steps can be used for uploading your first vaccination records as well. I will be using a desktop for this action, but you can also use the app on your phone, as long as you have a saved copy of your proof of vaccination record on your phone. To do this, simply take a photo of your vaccination card and save it to your phone. To start, you'll want to find your unique link to Cleared4. You can do this by accessing a recent email or text from Cleared4. If you've deleted all your Cleared4 emails, you can find them in your deleted folder and search for Cleared4. Or you can simply wait for the next day when you'll receive your daily Cleared4 email and text. From that message, you'll click your unique link. This will open the app. Once the app is open, click on Vaccination Records. To add your booster, click Add Vaccination. Then you'll click Add Your Vaccination Proof. You'll find your file and click Open. Next, input the information about your vaccination. You will enter the vendor and the date you received your shot. Since I got Moderna and it was 2 initial shots, the booster was my 3rd dose. Once you've completed this information, click Add. You will see a pop-up asking if you would like to add another dose. If you have more doses to enter, you can do so from here, using the same card, if the proof of other doses is on the same card, or select Add a new card. If you have no other doses to add, select No, I am done. You will then see your most recent dose is now in a pending status. Once it has been reviewed by Cleared4, they will mark it completed. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Stay well, everyone.